What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about a cool, awesome set that I just picked up. It's by Capri. It's brand new, so you guys are gonna want to see this one.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
All right, guys, I just got the mail in and I got my package today, and I'm super excited about opening this thing, and I want to show it to you guys because this is brand new, just hit the market, and it is awesome. What I have here is the Capri Tools 88-piece master bit socket set. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna set the camera up, let you guys take a look at it because you will want to get one of these bad boys. All right, guys, like I say, this thing just come out. It's brand new. It's the 88-piece master bit socket set. It's got the metric and standard in it. The part number is 3050088MS. It's 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch all in one box. I love cases, so let's get this bad boy open and I'll show you guys about it because this set is smoking. Like I said, this is a brand new product. They just released this thing for the public. I was one of the first ones to get it, so I want to share a little bit with you guys. Here's the package. It comes with a 13-piece star socket set, the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2. It goes from an E4 up to an E24, so that's awesome. The star bit sockets, this 1/4 inch drive from T6 to T30. The 3/8 is T40, T45, and T50. The 1/2 inch is T55 and T60. So it's pretty much going to take care of everything you need. The hex bits 1/4 inch drive is 2 through 6, 3/8 is 6 through 10, 1/2 inch is 10 through 19. It's got a 15-piece bit socket. This 1/4 inch drive is an 1/8 of inch up to 1/4, 3/8 is 7/32 up to 3/8, 1/2 inch is 7/16 up to 3/4. So this thing covers a huge variety. It's pretty much gonna get anything you need. It's got 15 long star bits from T6 up to T60, and the bit sockets, 7 pieces from a 4mm up to a 10mm, and the long hex bit sockets from an 1/8 inch up to 3/8. All right, guys, let's get this thing open and I'll show you what's inside it. And we'll kind of run over it real quick. As you can see, this set is massive. 88 pieces of awesomeness. It's pretty much got everything you're gonna need right here in one box. I mean, look at the size of that. That's a 3/4 inch Allen. It's amazing. It goes up to a T60. Look at the size of that. And it goes down, excuse me, it goes down in size. Look how tiny this one is. It's a 2. So that is a pretty complete set. As you can see, it's got the inverted Torx. I mean, this set is an awesome set. I love the case. Those of you that's been watching me for a while know that I'm a big fan of cases, that we know where everything is, you know, everything's got its place. But I am extremely impressed with the layout of this. It goes down, as you can see right here, with an E4 up to an E16. Let's see, here's the E18, E20, and it goes up to E24. So that's massive, and the chrome job is amazing on it. I like the fact that they're not just acid etching or laser etching or whatever. This is actually engraved in there, so it's going to be there. It's going to hang in there for you for a long time, and you're still going to be able to read it. but it's pretty much got every other application that you're gonna need. Like the long Torx bits are extremely nice. I like this set, you know, that's got some pretty good reach on it there. It's gonna come in handy. And one of the things I like about their smaller Torx bits, like this is the T45, you know, it's the same width going down the shaft instead of being a tapered one like some of them. You know, it can get down in there and actually remove what you're trying to get to, especially like on fan clutches and stuff like that. You know, you need the depth, but it's got to be the same width, I guess, going all the way down to be able to get it inside the fan clutch. So that is super awesome. Extremely nice set. I'm going to put a link to this set down in the description for Amazon, and that way you guys can look at it. Like I say, it's the 88-piece master bit socket set. I was reading on some of the stuff that they got, on everything but the 1/2-inch drive bits, they use a S2 steel, so the 3/8 and quarter. And on the 1/2-inch drive, they're using a chrome bandium steel. So they should hold up pretty doggone well. And here's one of the things that's actually showing in here what I was talking about it being the same width all the way down, especially if you're doing fan clutch work. It's kind of a tight area to get into. You can see if you're using a traditional or tapered style bit, it's not gonna get in there. And that's one of the things that I really liked about this set. You know, it's gonna work extremely well, and they have a lifetime warranty. So it's hard to beat this set. If you guys are looking for an awesome, you know, a bit set, I highly recommend you going and taking a look at these. You know, Snap-on, you're gonna break the bank buying a kit like this, and with Capri, you're not gonna kill your bank account. So you guys be sure to go in the link here, take a look at it. We'll be using these over the next couple of weeks, and I'll do a follow-up review on how well they're holding up. I've been extremely impressed with the quality of the impact sockets that I received from Capri, and I have no doubts that this is going to be an extremely awesome set, and it's probably going to be my go-to every time, especially with it all being in a kit like this. I can throw it on a roll cart, take it with me, and I've got everything I need all right there. So I'm liking this. But anyway, guys, that is the 88 master bit socket set from Capri. 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2-inch, metric and standard, all in one convenient box. All right, guys, you got the first look at the Capri set. Be sure to go check out that link down below in Amazon. Take a look at this, because you guys are gonna enjoy working with it. Well, that's what I got today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.